Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up Playspace Mover so you can sit down or readjust yourself if your avatar is not being cooperative with your height settings and all that jazz, and you don't have full body. First off, obviously you need OVR advanced settings installed. Go to your Steam, you'll be using Steam VRChat. If you're not using it already, use Steam VRChat. And go to your Steam store, download OVR Advanced Settings. It's a free application. Once you have it downloaded, what we're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and put your headset on and boot up VRChat like normal and come into the world like I am. Okay, good to go. You're in the world now. Pretty normal for you. You're going to open up your Steam overlay. Whatever button that is for your controller, you're going to hit it and you're going to open up your overlay. Mine's this button, because I have an index. You can't see what I'm talking about, but don't worry about that. Anyway, you can see this little bar down here, this little toolbar thing. We're going to click on Library. We're going to click on Browse All. We're going to click on Installed. Over to the left-hand side, if it's hidden a little bit there, drag your little pointer to the left hand. And we're going to scroll down until we find OVR Advanced Settings. You're going to click Launch VR Overlay. It is launched. You'll hear like a little doot sometimes you won't. Now you'll see a second cog gear down at the bottom, but right beside normal advanced settings, you'll just see a second cog gear. Hover over it, it says OVR Advanced Settings. Don't worry about it yet. We'll get to that here in a little bit. Now, there's several ways to go about this, but we're going to try it this way. If it doesn't work, well, fuck it. All right, anyway. Click on this. Click on VRChat, now playing. Click on Controller Bindings. Click Edit this binding. It's going to bring up your VRChat editing saved VRChat configuration for the index control. It's going to bring up your bindings. You're going to scroll down until you find the B button. It's going to be left quick menu, click, right click quick menu. What that means is that you click on the button that opens up your VRChat menu, like your settings and avatar and stuff like that. You know how it has it on both of your hands? Well, you don't really need it on both of your hands. So if you're left-handed or right-handed, whatever hand you want the Playspace dragger to be on that lets you adjust your stuff, delete it. So you can click on the little pencil icon like I have done here, and you would click on click. You'd click on this, on the none. And yeah, normally it would look like this. You'd click on right quick menu and you would go all the way down and click none. And then you would check mark it. And then you'd click save personal binding and you would and you'd bring up a little menu and you'd accept it. And then you click back and back again. Until you get to this menu here. Show more applications. Go to OVR Advanced Settings. Click on Edit again. And I think you know where I'm going with this. Whatever hand you went with, look for the B button. Look for the click. And you're going to want to set up left hand or right hand space drag, depending on what hand you're using it on. If you're using it on your right hand, you would click on this. And repeat the process, right hand space drag, hit the check mark, click save personal binding, click on the back button. It's saved now. Now, a lot of people, they close the menu, right? And they try and hit the button that they toggled. For me, it's working because I already have it set up. But they would try and hit this button and it wouldn't be working for them. They would just be doing it. I can give an example. Oh, fuck, I have it set up for that one too. Well, normally you wouldn't be able to do that, right? So, how would you go about doing this? Well, that's where the little cog gear, you would reopen the menu like I have. That's where the little cog gear down at the bottom comes in. You click on OVR Advanced Settings. You'd click on Motion and make sure these are toggled. For some reason, they're never toggled. By default, they will not be checkmarked. That is the issue that you will run into. That's the issue a lot of people run into. Make sure it's toggled. If you're using your right hand, you toggle the right hand. If you're using your left hand, toggle the left hand. And that's it. you'll be able to, you'll be able to close that out. There is no like save thing, you can just, click the button again to get back to VRChat. And it's toggled now. I hope you all liked the video. If you did, let me know down in the comments. Give me a like, subscribe to the channel if you want more tutorials. I'll be keep on posting more VRChat tutorials, and very quick and simple. All right, bye-bye.